Today, we're Cars of Sweden live, and we've got another Volvo here, and you might be thinking to yourself, this is just another P1800S, but I'm here with Peter Sunfelt today, and I'm here for a very good reason. Peter, explain to people for me.
Well, it's actually, as a car, it's just a, somehow ordinary 1800S. You shouldn't say P.
Oh,
so
sorry.
It became 1800S when it came to Sweden, when they started to manufacture it in Sweden.
Okay.
This car actually, we had a look. It might be a Jensen body,
right,
but it's manufactured, so to say.
That's what I was confused about, because it's got the Jensen curve around the door there.
We think so. We don't know. But anyway, that's not the point of this car. This car is the first car that our nowadays king got like a 20-year-old present or birthday present. He was presented with this one. He was 20 years old then, and that was his first car, I think. So it has passed a few owners since then. He just had it for 2 years.
Okay.
And then he got another 1800 and another 1800 and then an 1800 ES, you know, with the...
Got ya.
What do you call that?
Sort of the hatchback.
Yeah, the hatchback type, the shooting brake, or if you wish. So he had it for 2 years, and it's been repainted. It's in general half-good condition. It runs good, but the paintwork is not that nice. But actually, this summer there is a car meeting called Svenska Kungsrallyt, the Swedish King's Rally.
Yeah. And
then he was invited to drive this car. So he actually did, from an airport to the site, the rally site.
Right.
And the owner was traveling with him, and he said, well, the king was quite handy with his driving, with his old car. that's how the expression was.
All right.
So it's, and actually here is a bouquet. Do you say that in English?
Yeah.
A flower bouquet?
That's right.
That the Queen had.
Okay.
Because they were driving together as well then later on in the proper rally. So that was like a little good, how should one say, terminal thing for this car, because if it's now in auction, it might be that it get exported to Germany. Germans are very keen on, with our Silvia being a German.
Right.
They're very keen on these royalistic things. We think, at least.
Right.
So an ordinary price for this one would be around 150 to 200,000 Swedish kroners. But now the valuators think that we might reach 500,000 Swedish kroners. Yes.
Right.
Because of the provenance.
Oh, definitely. I mean, you can understand that, can't you?
Actually, this car was his first car. I mean, I think so. But he was fresh out of school, and his birthday is the 30th of May, which means it was a very fitting graduation car and birthday car, of course.
Right.
So it has a good story. I mean, the provenance is everything on this one.
Yeah.
And one special thing is these wheels. These wheels? They are French, and they were specially ordered. There's Y wheels. It's proper Y wheels.
Yeah.
Yes.
So they didn't come with Y wheels originally, then?
No. This is a extra equipment thing that they ordered, but they. I mean, it's interesting that they follow the car. I mean, usually these things, they drop off or somebody else takes them or whatever.
Right.
But so the awareness of the car has followed through all owners, we think.
Okay.
They had a special registration plates. Well, in England you have those very expensive...
private plates.
Yeah, private plates. But here we have, it's not so much, but somebody had the plate Regal.